how to see hidden photos in iPhone. We go to photos, we choose our picture. Let's say we hide this photo. In the bottom right corner there are three dots. We press on them and choose hide, then hide photo. Now our photo is hidden, we can't find it anymore right here, but in order to find it we go back, scroll down until we find hidden, we press on it. Now we need our Face ID or our PIN code in order to access this area, and as you can see this is our photo. If we want to unhide it, we press again on these three dots and choose unhide. Now we should find our photo back right where we left it in the beginning, and it's right here, you can see it. That's it. Let me know down in the comments below if this helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.